Today's video is going to be pretty short, but it's going to be an important one. It's about the airflow that you need to have an effective fume extraction in your shop. I'm going to talk about different types of fume extractors. And what's important to know is that I'm going to give you baseline numbers, but depending on your parameters, the position, it might be harder to extract the fumes, and therefore you might need up to 30% more airflow to be able to do the job efficiently. The first type of extractor I want to talk about today are welding fume extraction gun. In general, the extraction is going to be 2.5 to 3 inches away from the weld pool. And so in that case, you usually want around 100 CFMs per gun to be able to extract the fumes efficiently. Some brands extract closer to the weld pool, sometimes like around 2 inches, sometimes even less. And so in that case, you want to reduce the airflow simply because you don't want to extract the shielding gas because it would create porosity. So if you're closer than that, usually around like 50 to 70 CFMs is going to be enough. Once again, you have to be careful because the closer you get from the weld pool, the higher chance you have to extract the shielding gas, which could be an issue in terms of quality of the welding. The other type of extractor that we find a lot in the industry are fume extraction arms. For a 3-inch diameter, you're going to want at least 200 CFMs per arm. For a 4-inch diameter, you're going to want 300 CFMs. And for a 6-inch diameter, you're going to want 600 CFMs. When it comes to fume extraction nozzles, such as this one, it's pretty straightforward. For a 2-inch diameter, you're going to want 200 CFMs, 3-inch 300, and 4 inches 400 CFMs. For fume extraction hoods, the airflow is going to depend a lot on the size of the hood, so it's hard to give a number. What's important to know, though, is that fume extraction hoods are extracting the fumes above your welding station, which means it's not going to protect the welders. It's only going to protect the environment and people around. So we only recommend them for robotic welding for that reason. When it comes to downdraft table, naturally fumes are going to go up due to the heat. And so trying to extract them by the bottom is very inefficient and usually doesn't work. So we only use downdraft table for grinding and cutting, which in that case, they're great. For welding, it's really not the solution to use. In terms of general ventilation in the factory, the rule of thumb is you want 4 air changes per hour. But when you're in a confined space, you want at least 10 air changes per hour, and it can even go up to 20. If you want to know more about the different type of fume extractors, when to choose them and how to use them, I will invite you to join one of the webinars I give every week. They're free, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. And if you want more information about this subject in general, I'm going to put another link in the description below, where you can go read the blog post about it. That being said, I wish you a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.